Hello, friends. It is Running Kimono, and Home Depot has these massive 96 load tides, Tide Original in that scent, at 75% off at $4.83. Lots of shoppers over on Instagram have been scoring this big, too many to name, but I mean, I just saw this starting to pop up like crazy yesterday. So I was on the site brickseek.com, and there it is. So this is the one that we're looking for. Tide 138 ounces in the original scent, 96 loads in this goofy container. So the original price point is $18.97, and it's $4.83 on clearance in certain markets. But if it's even at 50%, this is one item that I would just keep going back and looking for in case when it drops. So there's the internet number in the UPC if you want to grab a screenshot of it. Now here's the goofy thing. I went over to BrickSeek and I typed it in. I was in Texas today for fun. I typed in a whole bunch of different cities. And it's just ringing up as clearance with a question mark next to it. And then it's saying it might be in stock. It might be out of stock. Tough luck. This is the weirdest thing. I don't know if there's something down with their site, but I also looked this up last night too, and I couldn't really get a fix on it. I know that a lot of you really like to see the number in your store. So this will play one of two ways. Most clearance shoppers is probably going to pass on this because if they can't get a fix of the amount of units in a store, they're probably not going to show up. So if you are near a Home Depot, you can't really look up this information because I've tried like 10 different zips today and nothing's ringing up like, that they have so many quantities at a certain location. So what I would do is if you are near a Home Depot, go to the detergent section, look around, or possibly grab the UPC or that one screenshot with a little bit of information and ask a cashier at customer service or a customer service rep to look this up for you. They might be able to guide you in the right way. And this might make this search a little bit more equal because clearance shoppers, unless they have the tool to find out the amount, there are people that will not drive to Kingdom Come or the end of the earth to get all these tides because it'll be really hard to track down. So if you have a Home Depot, you're near one, and this is something that you might want to look for, absolutely put it on your list this weekend for your shopping. Answer a couple questions. Does Home Depot accept manufacturer coupons? According to a little Google search, yes, they do. But of course, this is one of these stores. I'm sure they don't deal with couponers a lot. So definitely it's whoever you're standing in front of. But as per this, I could not find it on their site. I didn't have like hours to look for it on their website. But this is what I found with a Google search. I think between Home Depot and Lowe's, I think Lowe's doesn't, but Home Depot does from my recollection. But hopefully an employee can help you. Now, we also have this $3 coupon from the June P&G. As you see, it expires on the 3rd, so you still have a week to use it. So if you wanted to utilize one of these, because the verbiage is exceptionally strict, the $4.38 jug of detergent would be down to $1.83. So, I mean, I would try that. I mean, why not? And perhaps if they would let you do more than one transaction, if they would be very nice, if you had like two, you can ask for that. You never know who you're standing in front of, but hopefully they will help you out if you have manufacturers and you could track this down. Now, how I would get this really cheap if you are not about boxing over at the Home Depot, who knows how those coupons will be utilized, is to go over to your Fetch Rewards account. And if you have at least $25, I would cash out a gift card. So go to the store, see if they have this stuff in stock. And if they in fact do, and it's like 75% off, I would absolutely cash out a gift card. So you're really not opening up your wallet for this. And to get tied at this price point with a gift card, I mean, this is why we photograph our receipts to this app. So guys, it is a terrific app. And if you have $25, cash out for a gift card. I would grab 5 of them for the price point of $24.15. This does not include your tax. I think you could get the cashier to scan it, or you could even scan it at self-checkout. You would pay the balance of the tax. Yes, you will pay a little bit of tax for all this Tide. And I think this is just a super smart flip of a Fetch Rewards gift card for some Tide, really inexpensive. And if you have not heard of the Fetch Rewards app, check out the link in the notes. Use my referral code, and when you scan your first receipt, a taco you bought yesterday or a pack of gum last week, you're given $2. Photographing receipts towards gift cards to the Home Depot, that's what it's all about. I think this transaction, even with a gift card, is super, super smart. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.